have to remember one word, and that is patience. What is required from your side is patience. Patience not to get involved, not to condemn, not to like, not to dislike, just remain passive. I don't even say watch your thought. To me, when you watch thought, you immediately become involved. Either you start liking or you start disliking. If you dislike, then you start hating, then you start condemning. You have taken the attitude, you have become the doer. Now you are struggling, now you are fighting, and you will never succeed. The success comes when you drop the desire to succeed. You just remain passive, that's all. From your side, two things are required: remembrance of passivity and patience. Patience, patience, patience.
मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय।
Meditation means not allowing the attention to move. Just remain, simply remain here in the now. Go deep, don't worry. If you think you are going to die, so die. Why not? What is the worry? Somehow you believe that you are going to die. So one day you are going to die. You are trying to protect yourself. You are trying to avoid that death is not going to help you. Then why not be courageous and die and see what happens? For the first time you will be born. Born into your true essence, your true nature. And the Jnani says, the awakened people says, this whole universe is just virtual. It appears to be, but it is not. Why? Why they say? The main logic they give, because it goes on changing each moment. What is truth which does not change? What does not change? Your own presence. So remain with the presence which does not change, which all the time is there. To say all the time is not good, which is just now and here. This eminence is just now, constant. There is a moment when it is not there. It is always there. That is truth. They say that truth, the definition of the truth is which goes on changing, is an appearance. There are things which change in a million years, in 100 years, in a few years. Something changes fast. Mind changes very fast. It is an appearance. It is not a truth. That is why there is a insistence of satsang, or being in the company of the one who is awakened, who has arrived, who is stabilized. That is the meaning of satsanga. Remaining with the one who remains in the truth, who is the truth, who is dissolved into it. He only can encourage you, give you all the strength, all the trust to be. Silence is not a serious affair. Yes, it is a sincere affair. Just remain sincere. There is no need to become serious. The moment you become serious, you are an ego. You are a mind, you are caught again. Just be open wherever you are to the sounds, to the bird chirping, to the waves of the ocean, to stars, to moon, to greenery, to flowers, whatsoever is all around you. It is all in you.